Ladies and gentlemen, today we've got an interesting guest, a clergyman, and we are going to let him introduce himself. Man of God, what do you say?
Tinofara chose uri sei upenyu.
Better. Vazhinji vanogona vachikuona first time zita ndiani?
Minister Timothy Mtizwa.
Minister Timothy Mutizwa.
Right.
Name usiri pastor or prophet or apostle or bishop?
Right. I'm just a minister.
A minister.
Minister.
Minister teacher.
Just a preacher. Minister of the gospel, preacher of the word.
Muchishona ningachinzi.
Mushumiri weshoko.
Mushumiri
weshoko.
All right. Mune church yenyu here?
I don't have a church.
Komune munopinda?
Yes.
All right. Inonzi chii?
We just gather as Christians in
Waterfalls.
Yes.
Mupinde zayoja kana FM kana
method. Yes. We just gather as Christians.
Kongo ingori gungano.
It's Christian gathering, yes.
A Christian gathering.
Yes.
Hapana mukuru aripo?
Yes, wakuru wane waripo. The elders.
Inonzi chii?
And my juniors. Yeah, I think ndotangira nyaya yacho yekuti we don't believe that a church inofana kunge ine zita specific. Just going with the pattern of the book of Acts where we see Paul's church. Kuti tingati Paul zita rechechi ya Paul ringanzira inzi chi, or zita rechechi yana Peter or Jesus church, tingati vaipinda church ipi?
Church iyi hainanzi zita number 1. Inongonzi the church of God.
Yes.
Kereke ya Mwari.
Yes.
But alright, founder wayo ndiani?
Believing the word of God. Tinongotenda the founder is Paul, like it was founded Paul, in the book of Acts, because the
Paul
church haitangwe.
Church haitangwe.
Yes, hakuna munhu anogona kunzi atanga church but inokondinya because yakatotanga kudhara. That's why Jesus says pane imwe scripture muna Matthew achitaura zvikanzi upon this rock I shall build my church. So the church yakabuildwa na Jesu pachake, the gates of hell shall not prevail. So ari kureva kuti church ndo pakatoibuilda ende maapostles vakaestablish, and the Bible says kereke inovakwa pamusoro penheyo dzemaapostles and
the foundation of the prophets and the apostles.
Yes, so that's the foundation of the church. Ndosaka mtunza Paul aitaura muna 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse number 10 achiti, as a master builder I have laid the foundation. Zvikanzi let every man take heed how he buildeth. Ngachenjere kuti achavaka sei. That means iye arikuziva kuti foundation takatogadzira kudhara, tafounda nyaya. Saka nyaya kuzoti founder atofounder, he laid the foundation, then vakuzongouya ama ministers bringing us back to the word of God.
Saka ndo church yenguva yaPauro iyi yatinayo izvezvi.
Right.
Kuwana UFI zayo jamethodist vanenge vachi.
Right. Ipapo we have different denominations, like masangano akasiyana. Andingabelieve kuti akafoundwa for different agendas. Vanhu vane agendas ava vachitanga zvinhu zvavanotanga, but tine the original plan of God. Because the church haifanira kunge ichiranwa an individual. Like if you go to the book of Acts, nogona kuona kuti papa pana Paul was an apostle, and we have people like Agabus who was a prophet, people like Apollos who was a teacher, Vana Timothy, Titus were pastors, and Vana Philip evangelists. Not just one man's band. Saka it should be like and vanga vane a kinds of elders, so they could just go to the elders and consult kana paita zvinhu zvinenge zviri complicated. Like takaona nye Paul achidzokera ku Jerusalem kune ma-elders concerning the issue ye circumcision, yanga wana mwana achiparidza about circumcision. So ndo setup yakanga iri church, but izvo kuzoti wai church ya moyo ndizo, church yani yamuseyamwa, so azvo chimanje manje, but from the beginning it wasn't so.
It wasn't so.
Yeah.
So iko church kwamunopinda, that's the same structure iriko here. Kune ma council of elders here, kune organization yachinenge inyatsofamba yakaita sei.
Right, that's the kune ma elders anenge ariko. Yes, we have elders that we vakatitangirawo, where we can just go, because we believe in mentorship. Atitendi munyaya dzema spiritual fathers, but we believe in like having mentors. We could just go and
kone msingatende ma spiritual father.
As biblical, if you go to the Bible from the book of Hebrews chapter 12 verse number 9 says tangatina the father of our spirits, anzi tairi tino respecta panyama our fathers in the flesh, what more the father of our spirits, or achirifia kunani kuna Mwari anditi. So we see that God is the father of our spirits. So if a person is claiming to be a spiritual father, that means he's claiming to be God. He's taking the position of God. But no believer in me, I believe in mentorship. We should have mentors like Elisha and Elijah, Gangari, a mentor to Elisha. All those things, Paul being a mentor to Timothy.
What I coconut machicha at charity stapa nyama. Mune register chinsi.
Kana register church panyama.
Ndofunga mansuisa.
Oh, kuti yes, zvinoenderana kuti like you can register, like what I'm saying, the church cannot have a name. It's not, it doesn't mean like an assembly. Zvafanima a local assembly. Inogona kuva kuzikamwa ne title. Kana kuzikamwa kuti kuwadzana the saints in saints in Ephesus, saints here, saints here. I believe that's the way we can do. Like identify with the place. Location. Yes, than to have what I'm against is
like, somebody the church at Waterfalls.
Yes, for
example, like just the church at Macedonia.
Yes. That's the pattern of God. That's the my ways as no fan of than to have a brand. To push that brand, because if you are going to have your own brand and I have my own brand, that means that from competition. That means that violated that principle when Jesus in his prayer in Matthew, like John chapter 17 verse 22, let them be one as we are one. So the oneness of believers yato breaker, because imane brand ramru pusha and I have my brand that I'm pushing.
Ko vakatanga machechi Mwari ari kufara nazvo kana kuti vatori neshamo.
Yeah, what I can say ndezvekuti especially my setup iripo tinogona kusamati machurch. I usually use the term denominations, like organizations zvinhu zvakagadzirwa nevanhu.
Saka pakangokoreka papa kuti asanzi machurch onzi madenomination, munoona ngedambudziko rinenge rakadzirika.
Izvo zvazvo hazvigadziri dambudziko, but what I am just saying ndezvekuti pana tiri kulabela as machurch, the church will go on, inoenda mberi, haina chinoidisturba, but ndikuti these denominations like masystems ekuti vanhu vane vazvibuildra his own thing. Wangoita chipo chekuprofita, wangoona one or two things, then you're just saying I'm now starting my church. Just imagine if Peter was going to start his own church, James his own, uyatanga get his own machurch mangani, because angoita a spiritual gift, then akutotinda kuto and vanhu vanoda izvo kuti vari kuona solution, then you like it's a competition. But the first church was running as a body. They were not, it was not an individual centered thing. It was like they were running as the body
of Christ.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prophet.